Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually here we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The very first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings. Of course I will show you both. So maybe let's begin with the code. So let's tap on the dialer, choose the keypad because this is the place where we will enter this code, and let's enter *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code using another way using the settings. So let's open them. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And as you can see, actually at the very top of the whole section, we've got the serial number and both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.